Dokily, dokily. This is the second MrPowerScripts stream that I've ever done. The first one didn't go so well because my my other laptop is not really good for streaming. It's not very powerful. It's not very powerful. And I'm MrPowerScripts, so I need the power. I need the power. So I moved over to my Happy Fun Times laptop. Just try it again. Just see. I'm trying to figure all this out. So let me just go to the app and just see how this sounds. The app and just see how this sounds. The app and just see how. Oh wow. This sounds. The app and just see how. Okay. Okay. It sounds all right. It's not amazing. It's not the best sounding stream on the planet, but I think it's good for the purposes here. Doing a bit more math on Khan Academy. So last time, basically, I just did some counting. Just did some simple stuff just to learn the Khan Academy way of doing things. I got 3,155 somethings. Energy points. Energy. It's all about that energy. Zaps and stuff. If you hang out in the Discord server, I'm always zapping people with the zaps. But maybe like I should like actually try to challenge myself a little bit, or at least just see like where I'm at, right? Like I took algebra in high school and I wasn't amazing, but maybe this is a good place to kind of start and test myself. I'm trying to remember where I left off in college. I don't remember. I really don't. I was doing a lot of things in college that make it really hard to remember at this point in my life. So we're just going to slide right through that one. Algebra basics. I didn't even go to real college. I dropped out of community college twice. So that's why I'm doing math on Khan Academy over a decade later. It's not a good place to be in my life. But we're going to give it a go here with some algebra basics and just see what does Mr. Khan have to teach me here. Let's figure it out. I'm ready. I am ready. So we're going to start out with a intro into negative numbers on the number line. Okay. Oh, we're going to practice. Oh, we're just going to jump right into the practice. They're not even going to explain how negative numbers work. We're just going to move the dot to -7. Okay, so if this is 0 and one tick is 7, then I would imagine one tick less is -7. I'm assuming. Hey, I got the fun, happy sound. Okay, cool. So what else? Where is the blue dot on the number line? Excuse me. Okay, so this is 0, right? And then this is 6. And this is -6. So this is going like 6 at a time. So this is 12. And then 12 plus 6 is 18. Because it's probably incrementing 6. And then 6 here, that's 12. And then this is 18 because we're adding 6 more, right? So we just put the 18 right up in there. Yeah. Okay. Learn the basics here. Where is the blue point on the number line? Here we go. Now they're trying to throw us for a loop. Okay, because the number line is now vertical, which means everything changes, right? Everything is totally different. But not really. It's a line. So here's 0. and then -7, and so each tick is 7, so this is -14, right? I hope so. He's super embarrassed if it wasn't. Okay, so now we're gonna move the dot to 12 on the number line. So -4, each tick is 4, right? So this is 4, this is 8, and I guess that this is 12. I'm guessing. It's just a guess. We're gonna find out. All right. So where is the blue dot on that? Now it's way over here. They're really trying to test my mathematical manation abilities. Mathemanation. I don't know the proper word for it. Mathematory. My mathematory skills. 0. And then one tick is 4. So this is 8. And this is 12. And therefore this is 16. Right? Right? Yeah, I have collected 50 of 100 mastery points. I will take it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let's go to the next question. Where is the blue point on the number line? Okay, so once again, we have some ticks. The ticks show us where 0 is, and then each tick is 2. And we're going into the negative numbers. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. -10. All right. Cool. I'm algebraing so far. Move the dot to -8. Sorry, I wasn't having a oh my gosh, I just found a full can of cold Coca-Cola that I was drinking earlier that I totally forgot about. I don't know why it's still cold, but I'm gonna drink it now. Move it to -8 on the number line. So this is -4. Therefore, this must be -8, right? It's gotta be. Has to be. Beautiful. So, awesome. I have leveled up. I'm leveling up over here. Okay, got myself 485 energy points. And I'm gonna try not to spend them all in one place. Let's get it going. Let's get it poppin' up in here. So here's the thing. I don't know how to get this little crown. I want the crown. But I just got the 2. I got the proficient, but I want the crown. It's not fair. It's terrible. All right. So now we're going to start adding negative numbers, which is where things get super exciting. I'm guessing. I'm hoping. This is where the excitement is about to kick off. So -2 plus -7. So when you add negatives, it just gets more negative, right? Like that's the... I'm pretty sure... Oh gosh, I don't want to get this wrong. Like the first bit on the live. So I'm pretty sure -2 plus -7 is -9. I feel like I'm pretty sure about that. Okay. Fantastic. Didn't screw that up. Now we're going to add a negative number to a positive number. So that's essentially, that's just subtracting from the positive, right? So basically, so just like the difference between 5 and 9, I think is what I want here, right? It's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 4. So it's -4. Right, because it's you're moving from the negative towards the positive when you add the positive to the negative. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know anything about math. I have no idea how I've made it this far in life. -4. That's my final answer. What's the answer, Regis? Hey! All right. So now we have -7 plus -1. We did that one before. It's going to continue to get negative. It's -8. And then we have -2 plus 3, right? So this is the first example where we're moving from a negative into positivo territory, right? So it's -2. So it's the difference, which is 1. Bam. -6 plus -7 again. That's going to be 13. Oh gosh, -13. Oh man, I almost didn't get my star. God damn it. Okay. Cool. I have leveled up to familiar. I am familiar with adding negative numbers. Here we go, -8 plus 3. So that's going to bring us back towards 0. So 8, 7, 6, 5. It's -5. You can do that. Next question. Bring it up. 5 plus -4. That's going to be 1. Got that. Got that. And then oh, that was it. That was it. All right. I leveled up. I'll take that. I will take that. Dunsky. Cool. So, so far, so good. I haven't completely embarrassed myself yet. That's the key. The key right there. Yet. So now we're gonna subtract negative numbers, and I'm guessing this is gonna get hard here, yo. 5 minus -2. What? If you subtract, I'm pretty sure you just add at this point. Like when you subtract a negative number, you're just adding. I think. Oh God, please don't get this wrong. 5. It's 7. I'm pretty sure it's 7. Oh, thank the Lord. Oh my goodness. It's because, yeah, you just basically, okay, so you take this stick, you take that stick, and you just turn them into a plus sign. I knew that. I knew that. Totally knew that. Okay, so here we go. Now we're, okay, there's a lot of negatives in this one. This is -3 minus -1. Right, so that's basically -3 plus 1, which is -2. I think. Pretty sure. Pretty. Hey! Hey, hey, hey! What's up, Con? Where you at? Where you at? I'm about to run this academy, son. Okay. So, now we're doing -3 minus 6, which just makes it more negative, so that's -9, right? We just -3 minus 6 is going to be even more negative. Why the numbers got to be so negative? Why? Like, what's up, negative numbers? Can't you just be a bit more positive? Okay, just for a little bit. So here we go with the minus a negative number. Again, it's going to be positive. Positive 15, I think. I think so. My basic math skills are like just absolute. Like if you ask me to do like 7 plus 9, I'll just cry. I'll just. But when it starts getting into like equations and stuff, like that's fun. Like I don't know why that comes across a lot easier for me. Okay, so -5 plus 4, basically. So that's -1. Could do that. Could do that. Hey, I'm familiar. -7. No, sorry, -7 minus. I gotta. Don't want to get all confuddled. Don't want to get confuddled in here. This is -7 minus 7. Let's do it. That's 0. Wait, no. -7 minus 7. That's -14. Subtracting 7 from a negative number. Let's do it, baby. Then it's another subtracting a negative number from a positive number, so that's going to be basically adding them together. That's 6. That's 6, right, Con? Damn right, Con. Okay. Cool. Very good. Very, very good. So, 485 energy points. Let the energy continue. Oh gosh. Okay. My and this is just where like I'm never going to have 6. I'm gonna have to bust out the calculator for this because my multiplication tables they don't exist. They don't. I'm gonna bust out the calculator in a second. I don't even care. I don't care. Maybe I do. Maybe I don't need it. Let's see. Okay, so -3 times 4. So negative times a positive, I'm pretty sure is a negative. I think that's just a rule. I didn't make it up. Don't blame me. I'm just telling you how it is. So I think negative times a positive is negative. So -3 times 4. Well, 3 times 4 is 12, right? So then this is a -12. I believe that it's -12. That did not go to the tune of I believe I can fly at all. I tried. Hey, look at that. Okay, so -4 times 6, same principle, right? So we just need to do 4 times 6, which is, so 6 plus 6 is 12, and then double that is 24. So it's -24. You got that, kids? -24. Cool. Very cool. All right, so onward to, oh gosh. Okay, so now there's a new rule that applies here. I'm pretty sure a negative times a negative is a positive. I'm pretty sure. I'm almost 100% sure, right? But I don't know how to do 6 times 8 in my head. I have no... let me try to do it. So let's just do half, right? Sometimes that helps me out, is if I just do half. So if like 3 times 8 is 8, 16, then 8, 9, 20 is 24, right? So it's 48. It's 24. 3 times 8 is 24. So 6 times 8 is 48. And then they're both negative, right? So it's positive. So it's positive 48. I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure at all. Oh, I did it though. I did it. Okay. Next question, son. Here we go. So again, negative times a positive. So the rules state, and again, these are not my rule. I didn't come up with these rules. I know it's silly. I don't know who just decided negative times a positive is a negative. Like, who came up with that? Why can't it be positive sometimes? Shouldn't we all be more positive? Like, what's up with that? 2 times negative 4, that's going to be negative 8. I believe. That's that. That's the scoop right there. Boom. 330 energy points. I leveled up, son. Get on my level. Multiplying negative numbers over here. Oh, no. Oh, gosh. And this is where it's going to hurt really bad. Dividing negative numbers. This is going to hurt. I'm going to get something wrong, and it's not going to end well. I promise you. I promise. 4 questions. Oh god, 24 divided by 6. Oh. Okay. Well, what's 6? 6 is 6 plus 6 is 12, right? So that's basically that's the same as 4 divided by it's like the ratio is like 1/4, right? Or something like that. 6 is 12. 12 is 24. So, okay, but what's the... Oh, what is there a rule? A negative number divided by a positive number. I'm going to watch the hint, yo. I don't remember that. I don't remember. Give me a hint. What's the hint? Oh, I don't want to use the hint because it's not going to count towards my problem. I'm going to think about it some more. Oh, dang it, Con. I'm not going to let you steal points from me. Minus 24 divided by 6. It's 4, but I don't know if it's negative 4 or positive 4. I'm going to get this one wrong. I don't remember. I really don't remember. Oh. I'm just going to guess. I'm just going to... Minus 24 divided by 6 is... I'm pretty sure it's positive. I think a negative divided by a positive number is still positive. No, it's not. Is it negative 4? It's probably not negative 4 either. Oh, it is negative. Okay. All right. Right, because the negative 24 divided by 6 is still the negative number, right? It's not like magically it just became a positive number of any sort. Oh, Homeboy's asking me, am I reading Twitch chat? Oh, now I see the Twitch chat. Oh, snap, my dude. Now I see the Twitch chat. Yo, I've been getting... Yo, Cosmic's been in here helping me the whole time. The whole time. And I had no idea. Do you see the Twitch on the... Now you can see the chat on the stream and everything as well. I'm stupid. Okay. So I do not have the chat on the screen all the time, but I'm gonna like go back and forth and check it out. Okay, so 2 divided by negative 2. That's 1, right? Or you can't divide by oh gosh, I don't remember all of this division stuff. I'm gonna say it's 1. 2 divided by negative 2 is 1. No, it's not. Cosmic, what am I doing wrong, bro? What did I do wrong here? Right. Positive divided by negative is equal to negative. It's -1? How is it -1? I feel like something is wrong with math there. That's... So I got both of them backwards, basically. 2 divided by -2 is -1. Cosmic's put me on the cosmic path, yo. Dang it. Okay. So I know all of the rules now, right? So -30 divided by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It's -6. That's the jam right there. Boom. I'm learning, Cosmic. Okay. So, this is the final one. Oh, damn. 45 divided by 9. Okay, 9 plus 9 is 18, right? And then you double that, and it's 20, 30. Is it 4? Okay, I think if you divide a negative number by a negative number, it's a positive number. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I got that one, at least. So it's 4, right? No, it's 5. Yeah! Woo! Okay. This was not my best go. We have to try again. Because we did not level up. So try one more time. So this is negative divided by negative. I'm pretty sure that's 5. I'm guessing, but yes! Did it! Okay. So now we have -18 divided by 3. What is 18 divided by 3? 3, 6. I can't do that in my head. I legit cannot. 18, I mean, that's okay. It's 9. 18 plus 18. No. 9 plus 9 is 18, right? So then it's got to be 12. It's 6. It's 6. Okay, it's 6. 3 times 6 is 18. That makes sense. So then a negative number divided by 3 is a negative number, so it's -6. Yes! Okay. So then here we go. 12 divided by 4. That's 3. So it's negative, so it's -3. And yeah. Okay. 10 divided by -2 is oh gosh, Cosmic, I forgot the rule. I forgot the negative. Positive divided by negative is negative. So it's -5. I think. Woo! Yeah! Made it! Look at that. Leveled up, son. 330 energy points. Ho, 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 I like how there's the flames here. Like it's when you walk into the very first cave in Legend of Zelda, and the guy's like, it's dangerous to go alone. You know what I'm talking. I think it's the. Was there really two flames? I'm pretty sure there was two flames. We'll just look at it real quick. It's dangerous to go alone. Yeah, see, it's the dude with the two flames. No, I didn't want to go. Okay, we're not doing all that. But you see what I'm saying? It's like the. I don't know. It's neat. It's just kind of neat the way that worked out. Okay, cool. So negative numbers. I'm feeling positive about negative numbers. But now it's all about that absolute value. How long has this stream been going so far? I just want to do like an hour. Oh, just 30 minutes. Okay, we got time for some absolute values. Let's figure out absolute. Let's see if I remember this stuff. I don't remember. What isn't. I think absolute value is like the base value, right? So I think the absolute value of negative 7.9 is just 7. I think. No, it's not. Maybe it's negative 7. Let's try negative 7. That's not it again. Okay. So absolute value is not what I'm thinking. It's not. I'm actually going to have to. I'm going to have to look at the video. I'm going to have to get a refresher here.
Find the absolute value of x when x is equal to 5, x is equal to negative 10, and x is equal to negative 12. So the absolute value, it's almost, the way of writing it is almost more complicated than what it really is. The absolute value is really just the distance of x from 0. Distance from 0. So let me just draw a fast number line over here.
Okay,
so
I think I got it.
If I were to first, let's just put 0
I'm going to let him
here,
explain.
since we're thinking about the distance from 0. So let's just think about the absolute value. Let's think about the absolute value of x when x is equal to 5. So that's equivalent to the absolute value of 5. We just substituted 5 for x.
Right.
The absolute value of 5 is the distance of 5 from 0.
Right.
So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right.
5 is exactly 5 to the right of 0.
That's how that
works. So the absolute value of 5 is just 5.
Okay.
Now,
cool.
I think you already
that
get
was.
To see this is a pretty.
I think that was really all I needed there. Okay, so we're starting over. So what is the absolute value? So it would be 7.9. 7.9 is the. Okay. Select all numbers that have an absolute value of 4. That would be 4. That would be negative 4 and 4. And not this fraction here. Bam. What is 9? Oh, I guess. Oh, okay. So this little symbol here means absolute value. Okay, I forgot all about that. All right, so absolute value of 9. It's going to be 9, right? And then select all the numbers that have an absolute value of 1.8. That's going to be negative 1.8 and 1.8. And then what is the absolute value of 8.5? It's going to be 8.5. Easy peasy. All right, so now we're going to select all the numbers that have an absolute value of 6.3, which is obviously going to be negative 6.3 and 6.3. Look at them throwing all those fractions in there to just try to really get me. That's going to be 6. Absolute value of negative 6 is 6. Booyah! Oh, I got one of them wrong. That's okay. It's all right. It happens. I kind of want to try again, just because I want the full. But we'll do it later. Do it later. It's not gonna hold us back. Let's go. Okay, interpreting absolute value. I don't know what that means. I kind of want to. I want to learn it before I go in there. Interpreting absolute value.
So we have three folks, Jenna, Sarah, and Bill, and they're keeping track of their weight. And they're in particular, they're keeping track of their weight over a month. And right over here we have their weight change over the month. So if you take their ending weight and from that you subtract their starting weight, so let me just write that. That's your end weight minus your starting weight. That's going to be your change in weight over that month. And so we have the change in weights here.
Right.
So Jenna's change in weight is -3 pounds,
okay,
which means that she lost weight. Sarah's change in weight is +2.5 pounds, which means she gained 2.5 pounds.
Sarah's been
and
dipping
then
into
Bill's
the nachos.
weight, or change in weight, I should say, is +4 pounds, which means he gained 4 pounds.
Was eating Sarah's nachos.
So given that, let's answer some questions. Who lost the most weight? Who had the largest change in weight? And who had the smallest change in weight? And I encourage you to pause the video and try to work through it on your own.
Got it.
Well, let's just
got it. So we're trying to interpret these values. Let's go ahead and
plot all of these on a number line here to help us think through it. Although some of you might already have an answer.
His explanation here.
So Jenna's weight change is -3 pounds.
Right.
So that's Jenna, right over there. I'll say J for Jenna.
There you go.
Sarah's weight change, and she had a weight gain, is 2.5 pounds.
2.5
so that's
pounds.
Right over there. Positive 2.5 pounds for Sarah. And then finally, Bill gained 4 pounds.
Look at Bill.
So that is Bill.
Bill's the champ.
Right over there.
Go, Bill.
Now let's answer the question. Who lost the most? So when we talk about lost, we care about directions. We said, hey, who moved most to the left of 0?
Right.
Well, Sarah and Bill didn't move to the left of 0 at all. They gained
not.
weight. That's why they're to the right of 0. Jenna's the only person who lost anything.
Jenna's
the person who lost the most is Jenna.
Okay.
Now, who had the largest change? And if we're thinking about the largest change, one way to think about it is who is the furthest away from 0?
Okay.
So one way to think about it is which of these is the largest absolute value?
The largest one.
Well, the absolute value here, the absolute value of -3 is... And let's see, we could just call this the absolute change.
So I kind of feel like I got it. Feel like I'm warmed up there. So let's go ahead and just jump right into the practice stuff. Let's go. Okay, water freezes at 0 Celsius. Mangel's water is 3 Celsius. Leo's water is 7 Celsius. Whose water matches each description? Leo's water is definitely at a greater temperature, and Mangel's water is closer to freezing. I believe we could state those confidently. The indoor pool has a temperature of 24 degrees Celsius. The outdoor pool has a temperature of 23 degrees Celsius. Which pool has a higher temperature? I feel like it's the indoor pool. 24 is greater than 23. And there's another question down here. Which pool's temperature has a greater absolute value? That is also going to be the indoor pool. The absolute value of each of these is just the number 24 and 23. So yeah, 24 is going to be the greater absolute value. Booyah! So what else do we have here? The elevations of the 3 cities that Mariana is considering traveling to are shown in the table below. Help Mariana sort the cities from closest to farthest from sea level. Okay, so sea level is 0 meters, and we are attempting to sort from the closest to sea level two farthest. And so we can use the absolute value of these, and the absolute values will just be the values. So the closest one is going to be Sydney. That is 19.7 meters. So we'll put that over here. And then the next is going to be Bombay Beach. And then the next will be Jericho. I believe. Yeah! Doing it. Okay. So Jenna's mass changed by 3 kilograms last month. That's a weird way to say she lost 3 kilograms, but okay. Jenna's mass changed by 3 kilograms last month. Sarah's mass changed by 2.5 kilograms last month, so 2.5. Which person matches each description? Lost more mass last month, had a greater change in mass. Okay, so Jenna's mass changed by 3 kilograms. Sarah's mass changed by 2.5 kilograms. So clearly Jenna's mass, Jenna lost more because Sarah gained mass. Who had a greater change in mass? That's also Jenna. 3 is greater than 2.5. So, let's check it out. Hey, showing the summary. Cool beans, interpreting absolute values. Very good. So now I can do a quiz, apparently. Oh gosh, there's so much more. Decimal, haven't even got to decimals. Oh, fractions just always destroyed me on the inside. Okay, I kind of want to go back and fix this, but it's fine for now. Maybe I'll just do the quiz because I get 700 mastery points. And we'll finish up on the quiz. I think that's a good place to finish up. Time for a quiz. Get ready for questions on the units so far. Where's the blue point on the number line? So this is -2, -4, -6. Righto. And then 12 divided by -6. If I remember correctly, positive divided by negative is going to be a negative. If I remember correctly. So I think that's 2. If I'm wrong, I'm going to cry. Yes! Cosmic saved me with that one earlier. So now we have -4 minus -2, or -4 minus -2. So that's basically addition. So that's going to reduce it to -2. Howard is sitting in a dinghy at an elevation of 0.8 meter relative to sea level. His friend Peter is snorkeling at an elevation of -1.1 meters relative to sea level. Which friend has the greater elevation? So elevation is how is your height, right? So Howard is at a greater elevation than Peter. Which friend is farther from sea level? Well, that is going to go to Peter, right? This is back to the absolute values, 0.8 and 1.1. 1.1 is the greater distance from 0. So that's going to go to Peter. Go, Peter! Now we're going to select all the numbers that have an absolute value of 4.6. So that's going to be -4.6 and 4.6. Bam! One more. 5 times -9. Oh gosh, this was 45, right? Negative 45. Pretty sure it's negative 45. I think. 45. Negative 45. Because positive times a negative. It's going to be a negative. So it's negative 45. Bam! Woo! Got the first Quizola out of the way. 280 energy points sent my way. Cool. So this was fun. Yeah, Cosmic is like, nice. So it turns out I remember quite a bit more about algebra than I thought. At least the start, at least the very beginning, the very early stages of algebra. So that was cool. Cosmic, thanks for coming to hang out, my dude. I'm gonna keep doing this. I think this is fun. It's a fun exercise. It's fun to go back and try to remember all the things that I wasn't really paying attention to all those years ago. Thank you, Cosmic. Cool. Well, we'll do that. We'll do that. Catch you later, my dude. Peace.